Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Nissan's 2005 to 2021 Frontier. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer's safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Lift your truck and remove the rear wheel. Unbolt and remove the rearmost bump stop. Step 3. If the other bump stop in the area needs replaced, remove it now. If not, remove the perforation for it on the frame section. Step 4. Slide the frame section in place. Align it with the frame holes. Step 5. Clamp the frame section in place. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the section, then weld all edges fully. Install a replacement bump stop if the original was removed. Finally, paint the frame section with rust inhibitor. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Reinstall the rearmost bump stop and the rear wheel.